Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to compress Google Photos. So firstly, I will show you how to compress it on your phone, and then I will move to PC, so you can check also a PC version. So on your phone you need to open Google Photos application. Now click at your profile icon at the right top. And firstly, make sure that you enable backup. So you can click turn on backup here, and then select storage saver and confirm it. Now, if your backup already enabled, you can change this quality to save photos. You need to also click at the settings icon, at the profile icon. Then you need to click at the backup and at the settings icon. Or the same menu you can find if you go to the Google Photos settings and then tap at the backup. So, after you enter in this menu, you need to scroll down, and right here we have backup quality. So if you have original quality, just tap at this line and select storage saver. And that's it for the phone. Now let me show it for you on PC. And on your PC, firstly we need to open browser and write Google Photos. Then sign in into your account and make sure that you use your current account. So I need to swap to my another account. And right here you need to click at the settings at the right top. And right here we have quality. So just select saving data space. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!